Junk. 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 Oh, look, hon. We got an invitation. Mike Delmonico invites Mr. Daniel and Mrs. Alyssa Delmonico to the Ice Bucket Challenge. Within 24 hours? Oh, look, hon. Formal attire is required.
Good thing we're ready.
Want to go?
Let's go.
Okay. Wow, look how nice this is.
Yeah.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have some champagne.
I guess I'll have some wine.
Okay.
Champagne?
Sure. Okay, we challenge Mike and Margaret Lacrodera and Frank Chula. You have 24 hours.
Oh!